Hey Sam, it's late at night. Take some sleep.
But Sarah, I still have to code for this program. There is still a lot of work to do.
You can do this in the morning.
I can't. I have to present it tomorrow.
I wish your computer could write code for you.
Microsoft and OpenAI shared plans to bring GPT-3, one of the world's most advanced models for generating text, to programming based on natural language descriptions.
This is the first commercial application of GPT-3 undertaken since Microsoft invested $1 billion in OpenAI last year and gained exclusive licensing rights to GPT-3.
Sam, what are they talking about?
Actually, Sarah, Microsoft has developed an AI that could write code for itself. In recent years, researchers have used artificial intelligence to improve translation between programming languages or automatically fix problems. The AI system Dr. Repair, for example, has been shown to solve most issues that spawn error messages. But some researchers dream of the day when AI can write programs based on simple descriptions from non-experts. This is what Microsoft CEO, Satya Nadella said.
If you can describe what you want to do in natural language, GPT-3 will generate a list of the most relevant formulas for you to choose from. The code writes itself.
Startups like Source AI are also using GPT-3 to generate code. IBM recently showed how its Project CodeNet, with 14 million code samples from more than 50 programming languages, could reduce the time needed to update a program with millions of lines of Java code for an automotive company from 1 year to 1 month. When we talked to Microsoft Vice President Charles Lamanna, this is what he told us. Charles, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me here.
So Charles, how GPT-3 can improve people's lives?
The sophistication offered by GPT-3 can help people tackle complex challenges and empower people with little coding experience. GPT-3 will translate natural language into PowerFX, a fairly simple programming language similar to Excel commands.
Last year at Microsoft's Build, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman demoed a language model fine-tuned with code from GitHub that automatically generates lines of Python code. Microsoft's new feature is based on a neural network architecture known as Transformer, used by big tech companies, including Baidu, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Salesforce, to create large language models using text training data scraped from the web. These language models continually grow larger. The largest version of Google's BERT, a language model released in 2018, had 340 million parameters, a building block of neural networks. And GPT-3, which was released 1 year ago, has 175 billion parameters.
This is so cool. This can help you code faster. I think you should learn more about this.
Okay. Hello, and welcome to a new tutorial. Today, we will learn about AI that could code itself. Currently, machine learning models are just beginning to learn how to code. To challenge the machine learning community and measure how good large language models are at programming, last week a group of AI researchers introduced a benchmark for automated coding with Python. In that test, GPT-Neo, an open-source language model designed with a similar architecture as OpenAI's flagship models, outperformed GPT-3. As researchers and programmers learn more about how language models can simplify coding, there will be opportunities for big advances. Applications of large language models based on the Transformer architecture may begin to change programmers' jobs. If a programmer pulls together a large number of test cases of a problem, a language model can generate code that suggests different solutions, then let a human decide the best course of action. That changes the way people code, because we don't just keep spamming until something passes. AI that suggests your next line of code could improve the productivity of human programmers and potentially lead to less demand for programmers, or allow smaller teams to accomplish goals. Exactly how Microsoft, OpenAI, and GitHub will work together on AI for coding is still unclear. In 2018, soon after Microsoft acquired GitHub, the company detailed efforts to use language models to power semantic code search. the first in a series of applied research initiatives involving AI. Such a capability could make it easier for a programmer to search and use code using natural language. I got it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Peace.